Welcome to Fuchun Tyre. We specialize in the production and development of high-quality inner tubes. Today, we will introduce you to the features, materials, and advantages of inner tubes for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles. Easy for you to shop. First, our car inner tube is made of high-quality butyl rubber with high air tightness, abrasion resistance, anti-aging, and other characteristics. We offer 13-inch, 14-inch, and 15-inch car inner tubes, which are popular in Africa, Russia, and other markets, beautiful and durable. For heavy-duty trucks, we offer 1,400R 24 heavy-duty rubber inner tube with butyl rubber, which is more airtight and better aging resistant than natural rubber. It adopts TR 179, a straight valve, or V30625 rotary valve, which has a long service life of 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers, reasonable price, and stable quality. Our products have been exported to more than 130 countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, and we support free sample quality testing. Like our tractor tire inner tubes adopt Russian high-quality IR 1675 raw rubber, which has good elasticity, good anti-leakage performance, can withstand high pressure and high load, and at the same time, it can also effectively resist the damage of the external environment, so as to make the mechanical equipment more stable and safer in use. Motorcycle inner tubes also require high air tightness and durability. We use high elasticity rubber and other materials with a certain degree of elasticity and compression, which can effectively absorb and cushion the vibration and impact from the road surface, providing riders with a smoother and more comfortable riding experience. In addition, our tires are available in a variety of sizes to fit different brands and models of motorcycles. In addition to large truck and car inner tubes, we also offer everyday bicycle inner tubes. The main material of our bicycle inner tubes is rubber, both natural and synthetic. They are designed to fit different sizes and types of bicycle tires. Whether for mountain bikes, road bikes, or children's bikes, we have the appropriate bicycle inner tubes to choose from to meet different riding needs. High-quality inner tubes support custom spot wholesale. We welcome friends to visit our factory and negotiate long-term stable business relationship.